I just had an amazing day doing multiple road tests with our trailer on the streets of Montreal with customers with this truck behind me or underneath me, however you want to put it. This is a Kenworth T680 equipped with a Cummins X15N natural gas engine. We're going to take you to the front in a minute, but right now I want to talk about what's behind me here. This is a 175-gallon DGE tank. Now, when you're talking about compressed natural gas trucks, DGE is diesel gallon equivalent tanks on the truck. That's how they're measured when you're in the natural gas sector. This truck here will have an autonomy of about 800 kilometers, maybe 900, but you can also add tanks on the side of the truck mounted to the frame, similar to a diesel truck. If you go with a dual 50-gallon setup, you're looking at about a 600-kilometer range. If you do a dual 60-gallon DGE setup, you're looking at about an 800-kilometer range. You can also combine everything together, the tank behind and the dual tanks on the side, to get upwards of 1,500 kilometers in range. Obviously, these are estimates, but they're strong estimates based on your application running this truck. Now, let's go take a look at the rest of this truck. We're going to start at the back. As I mentioned before, this truck has the tank mounted behind the cab. And what's really important for the driver of the truck is what is down here. First off, you have a manual shutoff valve that'll cut the flow to the engine if needed. Here's your PSI level currently in the tanks. And here on this truck, it's spec'd with two connectors. You simply turn to the left here, take them out. You have your high PSI connector and your lower PSI connector. On a high PSI connector, it will fuel just as fast as a diesel truck. At a lower PSI, it'll be a little bit slower. But what is great about these trucks is once you connect the nozzle to it and you get the system up and running and filling up, you're able to go over here and wait inside your truck. And when it's minus 20 out, it's a really nice feeling to be able to wait inside, because the pump will automatically stop when it is full, and then you just simply get out and unconnect it. Now let's take a look under the hood. This is a Cummins X15N engine. It's a great engine by Cummins, built off the same block as the X15 series. And what's amazing, we're now on the passenger side of the truck. As always, you have your cab air filters located here, and your very conveniently located washer fluid reservoir mounted on the frame. We're just going to take a closer look over here at the different components on the X15N engine. Another great thing about natural gas trucks is you have no DPF, no SCR, and no DEF tank. That's something for diesel trucks, not natural gas trucks. Now, I'm behind the wheel of the truck. I'm just going to start it up for everybody out there so you can hear how this sounds. And you'll see here your fuel level is indicated right here in the dash, as this is a factory installed natural gas engine from Kenworth. And we'll give it a couple little revs there for everybody out there. This truck has a 450 1650 torque engine on the truck, but like I said, you can go up to 500 and 1850. This truck's also equipped with this awesome camera mirror feature. You can see we don't have a trailer attached as I'm in the shop. And it has the side object detection. The lane keep assist also is on this truck. Matthew Ladd here. I've had an amazing day doing road tests with customers, had some great input and really positive input about the technology in this truck and the Cummins X15N engine. I'm in a Kenworth T680 today, but you can also get in a Kenworth T880. And being an office guy like myself, I was very happy. Super easy to fuel, super easy to fill up, and you get to sit inside and not outside when it's minus 20. Just like a diesel truck, you can get various tank configurations. If you don't have the space behind the truck to put the large tank behind the cab, you can also put smaller tanks on the side. And if you have the space and you want to maximize your range, you can do both. Just like diesel trucks, there's multiple configurations of Cummins X15N engines, up to 500 1850 torque. And you can also have multiple configurations of tanks depending on your needs for your operations. All you need to do is contact your local Kenworth sales rep to find out more about the Cummins X15N CNG natural gas engine. That's Matthew Ladd here, Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.